I don't even know why I'm here in the first place. Hey, asking me stupid question. Are you this? Are you that? Just because I'm looking for work, oh. Just because they say, okay, oh, go and work. Ah, let me that. Auntie, wait, auntie. Yes. What is it? Why are you shouting? Your sister lost? Ah, no verse. Don't be offended. Now I'll go at the top. Say make I call you. Say make you come inside. To come in to do what? I don't know. You just say, stop that girl with toothpick leg. What I came here for, I did not get it. So, what's he calling me for? What did you come here for? Keep asking me. And let me tell you what I can't do for you. Auntie, what did you come here for? Are you mad or something? Auntie, no, you tell me say I'm mad though. You must be mad. And I will still repeat myself 1,000 times that you are mad, you are insane. You say you are mad, you are stupid. I put it back to you. Do your worst I say. How much are they paying you here? I will pay you times 3 of what they are paying you here. See, I have money, oh. I have money, I'm rich. If you don't even respect me, you don't even respect my uniform. You this CSI. How chief security son? You think say that by mouth? I just want to work so I can be able to, do some responsibility. As you grow up like this, you don't get work. And if you think you are mad, you are insane. If you repeat that thing, I get gone, no. This is New Year, and I don't want any wala for my life. Sir, Oga, what's the news all about? Security, Sonu. I don't know you for you. I sent you a message. You come here and be creating nuisance. Now the message that they deliver for Ramo, you can't they shout. You can't do blah 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 blah. Shut up your mouth. Get out. Okay, sorry. Hello, sit down, sir. Huh? Oh, come on. You don't need to do that. Come on. You're so beautiful. Yes. What are you still waiting for? Sorry, sir. Sorry for yourself. I don't nonsense. My dear, wait, make I tell you. I'm the MD of this ACP Limited. And so, what the hell should I do about that one? I'm the owner of my company. I determine yes and no of this organization. Oh, really? Oh, yes. And then, something is telling me that you can be my girlfriend. Hey, yeah. Yes, oh, you see her. And something is also telling me that you are stupid. What? Yes, you are stupid. Can you just go to hell with your stupid organization? What are you saying? Can you just stand and be telling me you are the owner of your organization? Which organization are you talking about? This one? Like Organ Security. Now me get my organization. Are you mad or something? In fact, you guys are mad. Me, I will date you. Hey, Shiri. What? What an insolent. Security, Sonu. Yeah, Oga. What the heck of it, Toto? And income poll is that? Eh? Where is this, sir? Where is this? That lady that just left now. I hope her name was not selected for employment. How will I know, sir? You're a fool. A fool. Bastard. Come and get out. Sorry, sir. Get out for you. Sorry, sir. Idiot. What are you doing? Oga, you feel enter. Are you number?